Hey guys, what is going on? It's your very big Kahuna here, back again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add custom thumbnails to your video. So let's get started. Alright, so what you do is you click custom channel, and then after that you click video manager. And then, okay, so here are the videos. I only have 2 on this channel. This is my second channel. So you would click edit. I haven't verified my account yet. So, first I would go to channel. And then, after that I would do this, okay? You would click learn more on custom thumbnails. And then you would click upload a custom thumbnail for your video. After that, so in order to get custom thumbnails on your video, you have to have a verified account. So you would click this, the blue thing, verified account. And then what you should do is you should if you have a phone or something or like that, then I'll just say text me the verification code, and then yeah, you just put your phone number in. Okay, after you put in the verification code, your account is verified. So yeah, now you can add custom thumbnails to your video. So you would just go here, go to YouTube. Okay, now you go to your channel and you do customize channel once again. Then you would go to video manager. And then you click which video you want to edit. So you would edit which one, and then see this custom thumbnail, you can click that. Click that, okay? And then you just choose which what picture you want to upload. So let's say I want to do this. Okay, there we go. And now save image, save changes. Alright. And then you would go back, and now it will look like this. So that's a custom thumbnail. The custom thumbnail is basically the image of your video when it's like shown to the public. Okay, so yeah, you can just change that. I hope this video really helped everybody. Thank you for watching. I already did a video about the how to make your own custom thumbnails. This video is just about how to insert your custom thumbnails. So yeah, make sure to check that video out, the one with how to make the custom thumbnails. I will see you next time. Peace.